Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm. So it's the September Boxycharm. Pretty excited about it. There's some pretty good things in here. So let's just get started. Alright guys, so first off, this theme for the box this month is wildflower. So super cute, kind of like flower child-esque, and I really like the items in this box this month. I did already peek. So just to let you guys know, this box this month values for about $119, so pretty much $120. So the first item in here is the Laura Geller blush in Baked Blush in Brighton, or no, Tropic Hues, that's what the blush color is called. And it is so gorgeous. It's a really pretty blush color. I really like it. And this retails for $28. So already, you guys, Laura Geller is a really nice and well-known brand, and their blushes actually get like a lot of like rave on YouTube. So that is an awesome item to have in here. Now the next thing is the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick. Now I don't know if some other people got different shades, but I got mine in the color Wisteria, which is a really crazy shade. It's like a bright, vivid, like purple. Definitely not my shade, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna go ahead and try it on. But this retails for $19, and I've heard really good things about their liquid lipsticks. It's just the shade not so crazy about, but that's okay. Next thing is the Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Liner. So these are the really crazy ones that actually like look like they have a little wheel. Super crazy. But I did like swatch it and it looks pretty good. And I believe this is also $19. Yes. Okay, the next two things in here I'm really excited about. So it is the Alamar Cosmetics like 3-piece brush set, which is so awesome, and this retails for $18. So I was actually thinking about getting these when we received the Alamar palette in one of the Boxycharms. I wanted to get the brushes as well, so that's really cool that they included this. I'm really excited. So here are the brushes. They look really nice and they feel like a great quality, so we'll test those out today and see how they work. And then lastly, I'm so excited about this. It is the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. I believe this is the Nightingale eyeshadow palette. So it looks like this. Super cute, very nice packaging. So this eyeshadow palette retails for $35, you guys, which is kind of expensive for just a little palette. So yeah, but the colors are beautiful. Definitely more of a cool toned, but hopefully they work good and we'll test them out. So that is everything in this month's box. So far I'm excited for everything besides the liquid lipstick. If it was a different shade, again, I'd be super excited, but this shade just isn't my cup of tea. So let's go ahead and try all of these products. So the first thing I want to try is the Laura Geller blush in Tropic Hues. Again, this looks so beautiful. I really like this shade. So what's awesome too is it has a little mirror right up top here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put that on the cheeks. See how that looks. Oh wow, that's actually super pigmented. So at least coming up off the pan, there's quite a bit of like fallout, but oh, that's pretty. Can you guys see that on camera? Hopefully. Looking good. Oh yeah, that's definitely pigmented. I love the shimmer in that actually. I think that looks so healthy and like glowy and very pretty. I really like it actually. So the next thing that we can use is the eyeshadow palette and eyeshadow brushes. I'm going to go ahead and take this crease brush. Now these don't have any names, but just the crease brush, there's only one that comes in it. And I'm gonna go ahead and take Hide and Seek, and let's see how this works. The brush is really soft, by the way. Now I do feel like I have to definitely build up this shadow just to get more intensity out of it, but I feel like I have to do that anyway with most shadows, so no big deal. Okay, so I totally wasn't recording, but I tried to use the flat shader brush from Alamar Cosmetics and dip it into Clutch right here, and I was not getting anything on my eyelid. It was very, very sheer. So I tried it with my fingertip, this shade, and that worked much, much better. So that is what's on my eyes right now. Still not as intense as I was hoping, but I'm going to go in with I Spy, which is this kind of brown shimmery shade on the outer corners. So overall, I think the mattes applied beautifully, blended out beautifully, and were very pigmented, but the shimmers I'm just not that impressed with. They still look good. They look quite nice, but they're just, you know, not as intense as I was hoping. So this isn't necessarily like a blending brush. It's kind of just like to really be precise with and place things in certain spots. So this would be a good eyebrow brush as well. So now I'm going to go back in with Hide and Seek, that transition shade, with a fluffier brush and kind of blend the lower lash line out so it's not so harsh. So next up is this crazy eyeliner that's like a little wheel. So we're gonna try and line the top lash line with this. I do not know how this is gonna go. I'm a little scared. It's not as bad as I was thinking. I think the best way to do it is just to go in like small little strokes. I give them props for trying to be different, but it's just not very functional. It's not that good. Like, it definitely, you have to keep dipping it back in to coat the wheel, and then it gets like all of your eyeshadow stuck on it, and then it doesn't apply properly and very pigmented. So it's just a little finicky, which I don't really care for and I don't really like. So overall, I'm sorry, but I'm not a fan. So I'm just going to coat my lashes with some mascara and I'll be right back. So I know I was a little harsh on the eye products, but I'm actually really pleased with how they turned out. I think they look really pretty. The shimmers are pretty and I like them, but they're just not as intense as I was hoping. I like mine to be like super, super vibrant and pigmented, but they work just fine. But for a $35 palette, I think they should be like pretty poppin'. So that's my only issue with it, but otherwise I think they work fine and they look quite nice and pretty. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the Lorac Pro Liquid Lipstick in Wisteria. I don't even want to put this on because it's gonna look terrible, but for the sake of the video, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Oh, woo! That is purple. I mean, girl, if you're looking for a purple liquid lipstick, this is the one. Alright guys, so this is the liquid lipstick. It's actually not as bad as I was thinking. I kind of like it on my skin tone, but yeah, I mean, I really love it. It's very fun and vibrant, but I still probably wouldn't wear it out in public just because it's so like bam in your face. But I'm gonna let this dry a little bit and see if it dries down and if it's transfer proof or whatnot. So I'll be back in a couple of seconds. So it has definitely dried down. I'm gonna do the kiss test. Bam, transfer proof, you guys. Awesome. So actually these are pretty comfortable, I would say. The Lorac Pro liquid lipsticks, definitely recommend them. They're comfortable, very pigmented, and they applied pretty easily. Just be, you know, very careful with it. Maybe use a lip liner before applying the liquid lipstick. That would definitely help you out. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this month's Boxycharm unboxing. For the most part, I think I definitely do like the products. I'm pleasantly surprised with this color. Like I said though, I'm probably never gonna wear it out, but I actually really like it on my skin tone. I think it's kind of fun. Yeah, I think the only thing I'm actually really disappointed in is the eyeliner. This is just, it's just you know, it's not that great, I don't think. But that's okay because we got an eyeshadow palette, we got a liquid lipstick, we got some brushes, so I always kind of justify it with that. Like, we only pay, you know, like 20 bucks for the box, and if you get at least one good item, then I feel like it's okay. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this month's box. Let me know if you have Boxycharm too, and if you liked this month's box down below in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!